Early bird affiliates in Onpassive, we are almost there. The journey has taken longer than some have thought, but Onpassive is moving ahead. Notice the comforting and reassuring words of our CEO. Last Wednesday we said that we are here to stay, and that has definitely not changed. We are here to crush it and break all the records. We have been on this journey for a while, and there are some things I have kept to myself. Onpassive is absorbing all the noise by naysayers and not being slowed down by it. Nothing great has ever been accomplished by rushing ahead before its time. The designer of Onpassive has a system that has never existed until now, a completely automated system that assures everyone who uses its products will succeed. That has not been done by any other company ever. Onpassive is the first company to do it. That is why Onpassive is going to disrupt the norms of doing business on the internet. Thanks to Onpassive's innovative genius, Mr. MUFAREH, our lives and the lives of the people we love and know will change forever. True early bird affiliates can see the vision of Mr. MUFAREH's. Go to onpassive.com and register for 3 free digital products and receive a 14-day free trial of O Connect, the video conferencing platform.